A lot of people in Toronto and in Canada will know us best as Babsocks. We started out with Mike Babcock's head on a pair of socks, and we've been able to get deals with the NHLPA and NHL Alumni Association since then, so we've got retired and current hockey players on socks as well. We've swapped out our hockey heroes for our healthcare heroes, an idea of how we could support our healthcare workers and the Canadian Red Cross during this crisis. We created Major League Heroes. So we swapped out hockey players for our frontline healthcare heroes, and we're selling socks celebrating that. The socks are $20, and the proceeds are going to go to support Canadian Red Cross efforts to support frontline healthcare workers and Canadians across the country during the COVID-19 crisis. Our company's had a culture since we started as just Mike Babcock on socks of giving back to the community. We've done programs with CAMH in Movember, and there's so many people making sacrifices out there that we thought we could at least do our part as a company as well to try to support our healthcare workers. We wanted it to feel as sort of broad. It's not necessarily a doctor, a nurse, or anyone specific. It's for each customer and person who's wearing them to decide. Maybe they know a doctor, a nurse, or someone else who's on the front lines. Each pair comes with one of the male and female frontline healthcare workers.
So these two images are on one pair of socks?
Yeah, so one sock will have the male frontline healthcare worker, and the other sock will have the female.
What do you think this will say for people that are wearing them?
I just think it's a really unique and fun way to show that you're supporting our frontline healthcare workers. There's people banging pots and pans at night. You can see everywhere different ways that people are trying to say thanks, and I think it's a fun and different way to do that. The public's been really supportive of the program, so we're hoping to raise as much money as possible.
Well, they're hoping that the first shipment of these socks will arrive next week. To pre-order, you can go to our website, citynews.ca/extras. In Toronto, Audra Brown, City News.